Hello, welcome to the Wolverhampton News Channel. It's a pleasure to have you here. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay informed about everything happening on Wolves News TV, our beloved club. Without further delay, let's get to the latest Wolves news. Let's go to the news. The Wolves are gearing up for a surprising move in the transfer market. Hold on tight. Coach Gary O'Neill is aiming high, preparing a £7 million deal to bring the talented Burnley captain, Josh Brownhill, to strengthen our ranks. Brownhill, valued at £20 million, is Wolves' #1 target in this winter market. And that's not all. The player, who has already shone in the Premier League, is open to a move to Molineux. We are about to witness an exciting twist in the Wolves' journey. Stay tuned, fans. We'll keep you updated on every development in this story. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the bell to not miss any updates about your favorite team. Here, on the exclusive Wolves News Channel, the excitement never stops. Until next time, supporters.